out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resource. Make sure your video card has the minimum required memory. Close quote. Perfect step-by-step fix for out of video memory in Killing Floor 2 or 3. 1. Lower in-game graphics settings. Go to Settings, Video, and Apply. Resolution 1280 by 720 or 1600 by 900. Lower is better for weak GPUs. Texture quality, low or medium. Shadow quality, low. Post-processing, low. Anti-aliasing, off or FXAA, and isotropic filtering, 2x or off. Motion blur, off. Field of view, reduced slightly to 80 to 90. FX quality, effects, low. Nash 2, add launch options, Steam, Epic Games. Right-click Killing Floor, Properties, Launch Options, and Add. You can see the code in our conversation history. Open quote, D3D11 forces DirectX 11, lighter on VRAM, dash no high textures, disables ultra textures. No textures trimming can fix some GPU memory leaks. Test both with and without. Close quote. 3. Disable full screen optimizations and high DPI scaling. 1. Go to your game's install directory. 2. Right-click kfgame.exe properties, compatibility. 3. Check these. Disable full screen optimizations, override high DPI scaling application. Add the 4. Update GPU drivers, critical. Outdated drivers can cause improper VRAM handling. For NVIDIA, www.nvidia.com/download. Please open your app to see this link. For AMD, www.amd.com/support. Please open your app to see this link. 5. Virtual memory Pagefile. Boost out of VRAM may trigger RAM VRAM overflow. Increase Pagefile size. 1. Press WinR, type sysdm.cpl, advanced tab. 2. Under Performance, click Settings, Advanced Virtual Memory. 3. Click Change, uncheck, Automatically Manage. 4. Set custom size, initial 8192 megabytes, maximum 6384 megabytes. 5. Apply restart PC. Hover 6. NVIDIA Control Panel, tweaks. 1. Open NVIDIA Control Panel, manage 3D settings, program settings. 2. Add kfgame.exe. 3. Set power management, prefer maximum performance, low latency mode on, texture filtering quality, high performance, vertical sync off. Hanger 7. Close background apps, free VRAM. Close Chrome, Discord, OBSI, Afterburner, etc. Use Task Manager, memory, and GPU columns to kill hogs. 8. Optional, use DXVK, advanced fix. If you're still crashing and you're on DirectX 11, you can convert the renderer to Vulkan using DXVK. Please open your app to see this link. Advanced users only, not recommended for unstable builds. If you're using mods, disable any HD texture packs, shader injectors, or reshade. Mods often increase VRAM usage significantly. Final notes, GU VRAM recommended setting, 2 GB or less, 720p, low settings, 4 GB, 1080p low med, 6 GB plus 1080p high or FSR enabled.